Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Wagon Wheels Cookies is probably one of the most iconic and nostalgic snacks that has graced the shelves of supermarkets for generations. Instantly recognizable by its unique sandwich cookie design featuring a creamy marshmallow filling sandwiched between two chocolate-flavored biscuits, all coated in a smooth chocolatey layer that promises a delightful burst of sweetness with every bite, making it a beloved treat for kids and adults alike who crave that classic, comforting taste. Experience that never fails to bring back fond memories of childhood. Number 5. Muddy Bites Waffle Cone Snacks. Get ready for a delightful treat that's perfect for any time. These are bite-sized waffle cones filled with delicious chocolate. Enjoy them as a satisfying snack or a sweet ending to your meal. They are incredibly versatile and always a good choice. Elevate your ice cream experience with these amazing cones. They add the perfect crunch and chocolatey goodness. We use only pure cane sugar for a clean and sweet taste. You can feel good about the ingredients in every bite. These treats are kosher certified, ensuring they meet specific dietary standards. Enjoy them with confidence. Indulge in the rich and creamy milk chocolate filling. It's the perfect complement to the crispy waffle cone. What we like? These are perfectly portioned, bite-sized waffle cone snacks filled with chocolate. If you love the taste of ice cream cones but want a mess-free, ready-to-eat treat, these are for you. They're also fantastic as a crunchy topping for your favorite ice cream or desserts. What people say. If you love waffle cones and chocolate, this is the absolute treat for you. These are exactly what you think they are and taste like the very last bite, or first, if you're like me, of drumstick ice creams. They arrived today in perfect condition and showed no effects from the heat. I do recommend putting them to the fridge or freezer, they taste so much better cold. Number 4. pikulLA Collapsible Folding Wagon Cart. This wagon is built to last with a durable steel frame and reinforced fabric. It can easily handle heavy groceries, sports gear, beach supplies, or gardening tools, designed for frequent daily use. Navigate any surface with ease thanks to its upgraded oversized wheels. They offer superior grip and stability on sand, grass, gravel, or pavement, making it perfect for all your outdoor adventures. With a spacious 150L interior, it can hold coolers, sports equipment, shopping bags, and more. It's ideal for families, outdoor enthusiasts, and weekend errands. This wagon features a quick pull collapse design, folding flat in seconds without any tools. It's easy to store in car trunks, garages, or closets, perfect for small spaces. It's a versatile helper for grocery runs, beach days, sporting events, gardening, and more. This sturdy and practical wagon is ready for all-season outdoor use. What we like? This heavy-duty cart boasts large all-terrain wheels and a massive 150L capacity, making it ideal for any outdoor adventure. If you're heading to the beach, camping, or need to haul a lot of gear for sports or gardening, this is your go-to. Its robust construction ensures it can handle rough terrain and heavy loads with ease. What people say. Looks reliable and well assembled. Compact when packaged. Maneuverable and functional. Very sturdy, holds a considerable amount of weight, and the wheels roll smoothly even with a heavy weight. The wheels roll so easily from paved road to gravel, cobblestone, and beach. Sturdy and easily assembled. Number 3. Rip Van Vanilla Keto Wafer Cookies. Discover a delicious way to satisfy your sweet cravings without derailing your diet. These wafer cookies are the perfect guilt-free treat. Enjoy a snack that's both healthy and incredibly tasty. They are made with wholesome ingredients for your well-being. Our cookies are vegan-friendly, offering a delightful plant-based option. You can feel good about what you're eating. Perfect for your low-carb lifestyle, these cookies contain only 1 g of sugar. They are designed to keep your sugar intake in check. Made with non-GMO ingredients, they are also low in calories. Enjoy a satisfying snack that fits your health goals. Each pack comes with 16 individually wrapped cookies. They are perfect for on-the-go snacking or sharing. What we like? These vanilla keto wafer cookies are a healthy, vegan snack option with only 1 g of sugar. If you're following a low-carb or keto lifestyle and craving a light, crispy treat, these are an excellent choice. They offer guilt-free indulgence for those mindful of their sugar intake. What people say. These are delicious wafers with various sweet fillings. The first ones I bought were chocolate hazelnut, which reminded me of wafers with chocolate hazelnut filling that I used to eat as a student, but without the sugar. The chocolate hazelnut wafers are closest to my old standby as a student, but the ones I bought then were only offered in either chocolate hazelnut or chocolate. Number 2. Rip Van Strawberry Keto Wafer Cookies. Enjoy a delicious snack without the guilt. These wafer cookies are perfect for your low-carb lifestyle. Satisfy your sweet cravings with these healthy vegan treats. They're made with wholesome ingredients you can feel good about. Managing your sugar intake? These cookies have only 1 g of sugar and are low in calories, making them a smart choice. We believe in natural ingredients. That's why these snacks are non-GMO, ensuring you get the best quality. Each pack contains 16 individually wrapped cookies. They are convenient for on-the-go snacking or sharing. Finally, a sweet treat that aligns with your health goals. Enjoy the satisfying crunch and strawberry flavor anytime. What we like. Enjoy the sweet taste of strawberries with these keto-friendly, vegan wafer cookies, containing just 1 g of sugar. If you're looking for a healthy snack that satisfies a sweet tooth without the sugar crash, these are perfect. They are ideal for anyone on a low-carb diet or seeking healthier snack alternatives. What people say. These strawberry wafers were insanely good. I'm utterly stunned by the macros. Delicious and okay for diabetic people. Yummy, low-sugar treat for anyone to enjoy. Number 1. Rip Van Romeos Dark Chocolate Fudge Cookies. Craving something sweet? Discover our dark chocolate fudge cookies. They're the perfect treat for satisfying your cravings without the sugar rush. Enjoy the rich taste of chocolate fudge in every bite. These cookies are crafted with low sugar, so you can indulge more often. Looking for a keto-friendly snack? Our cookies fit perfectly into your lifestyle. They provide a delicious way to stay on track with your goals. Each pack contains 2 cookies, making them ideal for a quick snack anytime, anywhere. Grab a pack and go. With 18 individual packs, there are plenty to share or enjoy yourself. Stock up on this delightful treat today. Experience the decadent flavor of dark chocolate fudge like never before. These cookies offer a truly satisfying chocolate experience. What we like. Indulge in the rich flavor of dark chocolate fudge with these low-sugar keto cookies. If you're a chocolate lover seeking a healthier option or need convenient, portion-controlled snacks, these are a fantastic choice. The individual packaging makes them perfect for on-the-go enjoyment and maintaining your low-sugar goals. What people say. I love the dark chocolate flavor, low sugar, 2-cookie package. Perfect size and satisfying. Unique cookies. Good taste, very fresh and zero staleness. A unique lightness and crispness with an ideal calorie count. Crispy cookies with creamy chocolate filling. I love these cookies. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.